I'm going to talk about this gun real quick. This was my first precision rifle build. This is the first one I ever built. It has a 20-inch black hole weaponry barrel, a Control Solutions muzzle device on the end of it, primary arms 4-14 R-grid. I don't think they make that reticle anymore, but I like it. I think they make better reticles now. I think they have something similar. The Griffin is one that I'm really interested in. A Luth AR stock, this is the rifle that, since I'm shooting secondary in the Bushnell Elite Sniper Challenge in February, that I'm going to be running as a secondary. These are not my hand loads that I'm running in the gun. These are 69 grainers from IMI, and I'm just going to shoot it a little bit. So 300, 400, and 500 yards. All right. Huh, there's somebody on a horse way ass out there. Anyway, all right. 300.
Hit.
3 hits. All right. 400.
Hits.
All hits?
Yep.
All right. 500.
Hit. Yep, all of them.
Yeah. So this right here is like one of my favorite rifles that I own. I mean, like I said, it was the first precision rifle I ever built, and it just works, all the time. I mean, I don't have an adjustable gas system on it. I think I hacked this one, yeah, because there was contact going on there and everything. So I'm gonna shoot this one in the Bushnell Elite Sniper Challenge. I'm gonna go back to 3 again. 3, 4, 5.
All hits.
Yep. So I really like this rifle. I like the way I have it set up. It's a very comfortable gun to shoot. It has a 1.5 pound trigger, which is, normally I don't like 1.5 pound triggers on AR-15s because then you have the recoil causes it to slam fire, sort of, or kind of bump fire. I'm going to finish off what I got in here and go 3-4-5, 3-4-5, whatever. All right, 3, 4. Oh no, and that's all she wrote. Yeah, this gun is awesome, and honestly, if you don't have good glass on your precision rifle, then I mean, you're just doing yourself a disservice. I've reached this thing out far. I've shot this 5.56, far for 5.56. I've shot this out at 1,200 yards, and all I did was use my it's not BDCs. It's got a Christmas tree reticle in it. Also, I did a scope tracking test on it, and it only had a 2% scope tracking error, which is like nothing. You just account for that in your firing solution, and honestly, that's not enough for me to account for because this rifle isn't precise enough to, for that to really matter. Why you guys are still here? Let's see if I got. You know what? I'm gonna just do this. Oh no, can't open my box because I gotta make some more reloads anyway, and all this brass is, yeah, the kind that I'm loading up. So, whoa, ow. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. I'm gonna go 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Y'all ready? Alright.
Everything else hits on all of them.
Alright. Now, run it through the spot and scope. Alright. And this just kind of goes to show the versatility of what you can do with a scope like this with the primary arms R grid. Let me know when you're ready.
Yep. All hits.
Yep. All right. I'm gonna go a little faster this time.
Oh, okay. Hold on. All right.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna go 3, 4, 5.
All hits.
3, 4, and 500 yards.
Touch low on the 5, kicked up dirt below it, but
Yeah, I saw
looked
that.
good.
This barrel's getting hot. We've run like 50 rounds through it. Probably destroying my barrel life. Just killing this thing. That's all right. Whenever this barrel's smoked out, I'll replace it with a Criterion. They're my faves. Actually, this barrel's done really well. It served me phenomenally. I haven't had any issues out of it. I just really like Criterion a lot, and it took a long time for me to get this one. So, all right, we're gonna go 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and I'm just gonna go, fast. Or should I do double taps on each?
Double.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
Send it. All good hits.
That is how you double tap 3, 4, and 500 yards. Yeah. My target transitions were a little bit slow because I was wondering if I got my hits, so I was listening for it. If I don't care about my hits, I can go bang, bang, bang pretty fast, 3, 4, and 500 yards. And I mean, that's the primary arm scope. Just zeroed it at 100 yards years ago and just kept running it ever since. Yeah, to maintain zero. I've done scope tracking tests with it. I've done an awful lot of load development with it, shooting with it, everything. It does great.